Welcome to Leco Academy. Now in this video we are going to handle a question under quadratic equation. Now here the statement says solve the equation 2x to the power 2 minus x minus 2 is equal to 0, giving your answers correct to 2 decimal places. So this question, it always carries 5 marks. Now to handle this question, we are going to apply this formula. X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So this is the formula that we are going to apply. Now the equation that has been given, we have 2x to the power 2 minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So when solving quadratic equations using formula method, you need to check if your equation it is in this standard form. So the standard form is ax to the power 2 plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now if we compare this to the given equation, it is just okay. Now we can collect data. So if we collect our data, here we have A, B, and C. So our A is the coefficient of x to the power 2. In this case, the coefficient of x to the power 2, that is 2. So A is equal to 2. And B is the coefficient of x. So the coefficient of this x, it is negative 1. C is the constant number, a number without a letter. So that is negative 2. Now that we have our data, we can replace the figures. So this is x is equal. So here, to this formula, we have negative b. And the data that we've collected, b is equal to negative 1. So this negative, we are going to put it in brackets. So this will be negative, open brackets, negative 1 plus or minus the square root of b, that is negative 1. So negative 1 squared minus 4 multiplied by our a, that is 2, multiplied by c, that is negative 2, over 2 multiplied by a, that is 2. So we can punch this on a calculator. So x is equal to, so negative multiplied by negative, this is giving us a positive. So this will be positive 1 plus or minus the square root of, so if we punch the figures inside there, so inside the square root, we have negative 1 to the power 2, open bracket, negative 1 to the power 2. So we have negative 1 to the power 2 minus 4, open bracket, 2, close, open bracket, negative 2, close. So this is giving us 17. So inside the square root, we have 17 over 2 multiplied by 2, this is 4. Now, here on the signs, we are going to split. So the other one need to carry a positive, the other one a negative. So this is x is equal to 1 plus the square root of 17 over 4, or x is equal to 1 minus the square root of 17 over 4. So to punch this on a calculator, so to start with this one with a positive, so here we have 1 plus the square root of 17. It is giving us that. The answer that we obtain, we divide it by this 4 here. So the answer divided by 4. This is 1.228. So the question is demanding us to write the final answer to 2 decimal place. So after this point, we are going to get 2 figures. So this will be 1.28. X therefore is equal to 1.28. The other value, if we use the negative, so for this one, that is 1 minus the square root of 17. It is giving us that divided by 14. So this is negative 0.78 if we round to 2 decimal places. X is equal to negative 0.78. So this is the answer. This is how we handle questions under formula method.